Hello everyone, welcome to my other video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement PayKun payment gateway using Node.js. But before that, let's see what is PayKun payment gateway. So basically, PayKun is a payment gateway which is very faster, safer and easier to collect online payments. Here you don't need to give any setup charges, no physical paperwork except the sign up part, and also they provide free integration services. So let's see the features they provide. Fast onboarding. You can set up and go live with your application more faster with PayKun. Powerful dashboard. Track your transaction history on live dashboard. Payment link. You can also generate payment link even if you don't have your own application, may it be web application or Android or iOS application. At last but not least, you can get 24/7 hours support from PayKun. Now let's see how to implement PayKun gateway using Node.js. So you should have installed Node.js and one text editor like VS Code or Sublime Text in your system. In case you don't know how to install Node.js, just see my description section, it is given there. And now you have to open the link of GitHub, and I will provide this link inside my description section, you can check it out. So now click on clone or download option and you can download it as zip, and I am now cloning it and downloading it from my Git command line. So write git clone and paste the link and press enter, and the whole repository will be downloaded. So here you can see the Node.js repository is there. Now you have to write cd space Node.js to enter into that directory, and then write code space dot to open VS Code into the same directory. So now you have to go back to your browser and type paykun.com. So here you have to first sign up. So for sign up, you have to provide your email address and then your mobile number. So give the mobile number correctly because they will send you one OTP for verification. So write your mobile number and click on the verify button to verify your mobile number. So after verification, you have to provide your first name, last name, and also the password. So give the password as per their criteria, and finally click on the accept terms and conditions and click on the create your account button, and then they will send one verification mail to your email address. Click on that and one dashboard will be opened, and there you need to provide your email address and password. So here just give your email address and password and click on login button. So after logging into the main dashboard, we'll get many options, and for now you can skip these parts because you are now going to test the whole coding structure of PayKun payment gateway. So you can explore it later, and actually they have provided many things. They also provided to integrate with your Android or iOS applications. So you can see app options here and many options here. You can see that is transactions, settlements, Paytm, payment links, and you can also generate one payment link here. And okay, so if you go to the settings tab, you can see some options are there like notifications, security, customize UI, and configuration. And if you go to the security options, you can generate your API key and security key for your web or app integration. So if you go to the customize UI, you can also customize the interface for the payment gateway. Okay, so as you are using for the testing purpose, so click on your account name icon and click on the test mode. Okay, So now here you have to create first one sandbox account, and once if you click on the sandbox account, one username and password, that is some credential will be generated, and click on the sandbox login, and they will redirect into the login dashboard of sandbox. So first copy the username or email and then the password and paste it here. Click on the login button. Okay, so you can see it is kind of same like the actual production mode. Okay, so even if you are testing mode, you can access or you can test everything, every search. So go to the settings tab and click on the generate API. So you can see that access token and API secret key is there. So at first copy the access token and go to your project. So go to the config folder and config the global.js, and you have to replace this with the copied key, and again go back to your browser and again copy the API key and paste it to the exact. So here you can see you have to paste here. And now you can see that they have commented like you have to turn this false for this requirement. Okay, now save it, and okay, and also you have to copy the merchant ID. So click on your profile icon and copy the merchant ID and paste it inside your code. Okay, now I am maximizing my code editor, and okay, so first you have to go to your terminal. So you can open terminal from the VS Code as well as from the default terminal, and here you have to write npm space install, and it will install all the dependencies to your project, because they have used many dependencies for implementing their payment gateway. Okay, so now go to index.js file, and here you need to change some things. So at first just replace the success URL with one callback success URL. Like you can use also your website success callback URL, and same as the failed URL. So as I am in testing mode, I am just doing it with localhost, and okay, so I have to change something else here, like I have to change the product description, product name. Okay, so you can see the result is an object here. So the object name is result, and then dot, and then the product name. So write product name, and here you have to write result dot amount. Okay, so actually these things are coming from the front end, and if you wish to change it for your purpose, you can change it and just change the object key with them, and then write result dot customer name and result dot customer email, and for the mobile number just write result dot mobile customer mobile. Now just save it and open the terminal again, and I'm opening the terminal inside my VS Code. So after opening the terminal, you have to write node space index.js to run the nodeJs server in your system, and you can see that the server is listening on port 3000. So go back to your browser and open another tab and just write localhost 3000, and you can see that product name is there, amount is there, customer name is there, and you have to provide your email address and also the mobile number. So write the mobile number and click on submit button. And here you can see the PayKun payment gateway page. So if you click on the next, and it will show you the whole payment structure. That is, you can pay using your credit card, debit card, or net banking, or any wallet system. Okay, so that's the thing. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please click on the subscribe and like button if you like this video. Thank you.